Hi, I'm Maida with Datacoves, and I'm here to talk to you about our platform. Datacoves helps you load, transform, and orchestrate your data through our modern end-to-end data platform, which covers the entire ELT and visualization stack. For the EL, you can use any tool such as Fivetran, Data Load Tool, or our included Airbyte. To transform your data, you would use our managed dbt core solution. And to deliver data insights, you can use any visualization tool such as Power BI, Tableau, or our included Superset. To bring this all together, we provide a managed, scalable Airflow that will allow you to orchestrate your ETL processes and visualizations from start to finish. But we don't just stop there. We don't just offer the tools. We also offer best practices and accelerators for CI/CD, naming conventions, and so much more. Even if you're not a Datacoves customer, I definitely recommend that you check out our blog posts and our documentation for any useful tidbits. At Datacoves, we believe in an opinionated approach that will help you do things right the first time. And our customers have found that we have helped them minimize technical debt, kept their workflows efficient, maintainable, and scalable. And we're happy to report that this has led to significant cost savings, faster insights, and fewer fires that our customers have to put out. Now let me give you a quick tour of the platform. In Datacoves, if you're using Airbyte to load data, you can click on the Load tab to access our managed Airbyte. Or you can configure your data loads in your tool of choice. Either way, all of your data loading will be orchestrated through Airflow. When you're ready to develop your dbt models, you can head to the Transform tab, where you will find an in-the-browser VS Code experience. Here, you're free to use any VS Code extension or Python library that you need. For example, we have the Snowflake extension, which we like to use because it helps us speed up our workflows by allowing us to explore Snowflake objects without having to leave the IDE. You also have access to the full terminal, which gives you complete control over your development experience without the limitations of a simplified IDE. When it comes to creating and managing your Airflow DAGs, you do that directly within the platform. As you can see here, I have a DAG that I've already pre-written. When it's time for me to test and execute this DAG, I would head to the Orchestrate tab, where I will find a managed Airflow UI. Additionally, we provide hosted dbt docs, which allow you to explore your local documentation and your production documentation. Not only that, we take it a step further by including a comprehensive data catalog with column-level lineage through DataHub. We also have cross-project support using Datacoves Mesh. Lastly, if you're using Superset to visualize your data, you can click on the Analyze tab and see your managed Superset. Our mission is to seamlessly integrate best-in-class tools, making it easy for your organization to adopt or upgrade to the modern data stack. And the best part, we offer minimal vendor lock-in. At the end of the day, it's your data and your code. What sets Datacoves apart as an alternative to dbt Cloud is that you get the flexibility and the customization of a homegrown dbt core solution combined with the convenience of a managed platform. You don't have to choose between flexibility and simplicity anymore because we give you the best of both worlds. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn how Datacoves can help your organization get faster insights with less data fires, feel free to book a discovery call via our website. Till next time.